So, for today's fabulous adventure,
Sweet,
fabulous adventure, we've come to North Wales again, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we're going to do some riding on the North Wales coastal path. And today, it's not really nice weather, is it? It's a bit rainy today.
No.
So we're going to do down from Llandudno down to Conway today, aren't we?
Yes, we swap the days
Swap
around.
the days, yeah. So tomorrow we're going to do the main ride along the top of the coast from Rhyl to Llandudno.
Yep.
We're doing the shorter ride today in the rain.
In the rain.
Yeah.
Well, we should get an hour when it's not raining, shouldn't we?
Yeah, that's what we hope anyway. So, yeah. So, yes, let's...
So this is the Great Orme.
Behind us.
This is Conway Castle. We're going to go...
Yep, down to Conway Castle.
Mm.
Yeah. Go. Let's go. There's the view from our starting point. There's Deborah just popping her coat on. You can wave to the camera. That's where we're going to cycle down there, down the footpath or down the path. And then that's down the bottom there. That's Conway. We'll be able to see Conway Castle and cross the river. And that's the rest of North Wales across there.
What's the speed limit in Wales?
I don't know. This is a RAF everywhere, doesn't it? So it's going to be slow. There we are, ready to go.
Let's go.
Are you looking forward to your wet cycle ride?
Yes.
Let's go. So there's Conway Castle in the background. We've cycled right along the edge of the water, haven't we?
And the Great Orme.
Yeah, down to the end.
But it was really difficult in one bit, wasn't it? With the sand. The path was just purely sand.
Soft sand.
And with bushes really on each side.
Yeah. We tried to cycle in soft sand before and you can't at all. So we had to push on these little narrow paths.
Yeah, that was only at the first bit.
Yeah, it's nice. We're going to go across the bridge, aren't we? Across the bridge and right up to the castle.
Across that bridge? The castle,
yeah, right around the castle. And we're not looking close enough. We'll sit down and have a coffee or something in the hot chocolate in the town centre.
That'd be nice.
Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, so we're having a really good ride, aren't we?
Yeah.
So it hasn't actually rained like we thought it was going to do, is it?
It was spitting.
Yeah, it's spitting. It hasn't poured.
No, but
yeah.
We didn't need coats really.
No, we didn't really, did we? But it's a lovely view of the castle there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we're going to cycle along this path and across the bridge, aren't we?
Yeah.
Across to the castle.
And it smells of sea salt around here, doesn't it? It smells of salt and vinegar crisps.
Yeah, very fresh and salty, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, let's carry on with our cycle ride.
Let's go!
Let's go! I should really say, let's mount up!
Yeah, riding cowboy.
Yeah.
What are we doing getting on?
So it's day 2 of our fabulous adventure.
Of this real adventure,
Sweet fabulous adventure
a sweet fabulous adventure in North Wales.
in North Wales. And the lovely weather that we've been forecast for today hasn't actually
No.
materialised.
And if you look here, there's a massive rain thing coming in, which is exactly where we're going.
Yeah, so we're not sure how today's going to work out, but we're doing it come what may, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever the weather.
I might have to wrap the bikes in cling film, which I've got in my bag.
Yeah.
Just in case.
We're doing about 18 miles today, aren't we?
Yes.
So yeah, fingers crossed. It
We
won't
went to
rain
the-
too hard.
We went to the Little Orme and then back.
Back here
Back here
where we
again.
started, yeah. So yeah. So we've made it to Colwyn Bay, haven't we? Yeah.
Well, we're just on the border.
We're,
are we?
yeah, we're on the sort of the first part of Colwyn Bay that you come to.
Yes.
It's been a bit wet, hasn't it?
Very wet. We had to cycle it. We had to double time it through the
Through the pouring rain. Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's stopped. It's actually stopped now, isn't it? So we might be
Yeah.
lucky.
It's Wales weather.
Yeah, we've
Just
done.
rain. The forecast said sunshine, then it said a little bit of rain, and it's been a lot of rain.
But it's stopped now, so we might be lucky. We've done 11 miles so far. So yeah, so
Wow.
we're going to carry on down a little bit more into Colwyn Bay, aren't we?
Yeah.
And then decide whether we need to head back. But it's been a lovely day out, hasn't it?
The weather's nice that way, and the weather's bad that way. There's a cloud of doom there, isn't there?
There is over that way.
Back where we came from.
Yeah. It might blow off though, so let's be positive.
Okay. Positive.
Yeah. Well, we've had a good day, even with the rain, haven't we?
Brilliant, yes.
Yeah, it's been good fun.
Really nice ride against the sea. See on one side and nice caravans. on the other.
Caravans, yeah. We've seen more caravans than we've ever seen before.
Lovely ride, don't it?
Yeah, it's been lovely. And you've had a hot chocolate for your lunch.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you did it. You took the slalom. Deborah took the slalom.
Until you filmed me.
She came down there and did the slalom all the way down.
Just when you turn the camera on.
Okay, go. Yeah, Deborah couldn't resist a spin. Yeah.